G'day, Ryan that bee guy here. So today we've got a little challenging one. The bees are in the brick wall. On the other side is the bathroom and there's a bath. So we don't want to be taking the bath and the tiles off the wall. So this one we're going to have to go into the brick wall. It's a fairly decent sized hive. It's been there about 3 months and so far the bees are pretty friendly. So first we're going to light the smoker. And then we're going to just drill a series of holes along here. We've got a multi-tool so we can cut along the mortar joints and then just tap the bricks and start loosening them, and then pull the bricks out carefully so someone can put them back together. I'm not a bricklayer, so that's not my job, but I do have to be careful because it's an old house, so you can't buy these bricks. Can't match them, so we'll be nice and careful to preserve the bricks.
And based on the thermal, how big was it again?
It's about this big. So we'll soon see when we start cutting it open. But yeah, I think we'll start here and then we'll go out and go down and see what we find. So we'll get into it. Well, that'll do for now. We'll give them a bit of smoke, let them know we're coming. Alright, let's get into it. We got honey.
I was just saying what a nice peaceful neighborhood it was before.
Not right now. Well, I think we start opening it up and see what we can find.
What next, like a chisel or something?
Yeah. I might just try hammering a block of wood. I've got a chisel there if we need. Oh, one cracked brick.
Uh-oh. Can you,
uncrack it?
Yeah.
After we get the first one out, the rest of them will be easy. Hoorah, we got honey. We got lots of honey. Wow, we've got heaps more honey. That's good, they're all loose.
That's a great secure spot for a beehive.
Yeah, solid, eh? Well, we may be at the end of it.
What do you mean? Oh, you mean widthwise?
Widthwise.
Yeah, righto.
No stings. Man, I'd be pretty pissed off if I were these bees. All this hammering and banging and crashing. But I'm happy.
I've been rolling for 34.5 minutes and yeah, no stings is getting a bit boring there, Ryan. So
Upset him, you reckon? Oh.
Really?
Yeah. I think she was on my pants and I leant on her.
Whoops.
Oh, I got one on my face.
Sting count, just one?
Just one.
All right. They still prefer their main entrance, right?
Yeah. Okay, well, we've got to the end of it on this side. Fantastic. All right. Nearly there. I think that might do us. It goes down a little bit further, but I reckon I can get to that. So have a look. All right, so we will put these tools away and fire up the bee vac and start cutting into it. Hello, little lady. I know, it's a bit stressful, isn't it? She's got some pollen on her legs.
Oh yeah.
The bees have done a run-on because I know, because this is the heart of the hive. This is the brood, and there's not many bees on there at all. So we have scared them off. So they'll be up under here and up under here. So we'll cut out all the honey, all the brood, and we'll vacuum up as many bees as we can. But we might have to pump some smoke to run them out this way to be able to vacuum them up.
Yeah, so that honey will be full of grit and
Yes,
cement.
it'll be very sandy honey, so I don't think we'll keep it. Yeah, lots of it's covered in sand. Lots of the brood comb here is all full of sand.
That's a shame.
Oh, it's falling apart on me.
So you could spot the queen just walking around on the top of one of those bits, yeah, with all the other bees around.
Yep.
So you're pretty good at Where's Wally?
Great question.
You must be.
I haven't played or looked at Where's Wally for, I don't know, since I was a kid. That looks right. Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's fantastic.
We've got a few drones. That's a good sign. It's a very healthy hive.
Have you got bee socks on?
I do. A friend of mine gave me these for Christmas.
Fantastic. Might have seen them in earlier videos. Oh.
All right, we have got almost all the honey. So up here, the honey goes right up, but I can reach it, luckily. So I've puffed a bunch of smoke in there and run the bees off, and I've got maybe half of it. So I think there's another big chunk of honey about this big, goes right up. And then we've still got a few more bees up in here. I've been smoking them from that way, running them out, and got heaps of bees. So there's still a few bees up in here, as you can see. So it's going to get messy. So I put a wet towel down in there to catch any of the honey that drips down. So Woohoo!
Well, that's
Look
all
at
nice. No concrete dust on that.
No, that's nice and clean.
Is that a sting?
No. I've got all the honey, but I'm putting my hand like past the stud here over to this side, and I can feel a big cluster of bees.
And the sting count just went up before as well. So.
I did get one more sting, yeah. Well, up to number 4.
Yeah.
But now, yeah, this doesn't feel like there's any comb up in here, which is amazing. But I can feel a big cluster of bees.
Smoke won't make them move?
Yeah, that's what we'll have to do. Yeah, there's no other way to get to them apart from pulling all these bricks out, which I don't really want to do.
No, we're not doing that.
All right, so it's getting a bit crowded in the box, so we're gonna put another level on top, just in case we don't want them to overheat, in case it gets too crowded in there. So we're gonna open it up and hopefully they're not too upset. It's not too crowded, but we've got a few more bees to go, so. So we're gonna open that up, put the box on, and then put some tape around it to seal the vacuum, and then put a ratchet strap around it. So I'm just going to use a little bit of smoke to run them down. I've done this before and not smoked them, and it was not a good time. The bees were really friendly. Yeah, really friendly bees. The job was going great. Oh, they're getting a bit crowded. It's bigger than I thought. Took the box outside, opened it up, and I just got nailed. I absolutely smashed. They were not happy to see me. So it gives them a bit more real estate.
So, enough, like 60,000 bees maybe?
Oh, yeah, I said 40,000 at the Montague, but I think that one was way bigger. So this one's not as big as the Montague Hotel.
Yeah, righto.
Check out that video, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That was a job and a half. It was a bit of a nightmare.
Now, sometimes they do a dance that says the queen is in here, right? But they're not doing that.
Well,
It's hard to tell.
some of these ones are. See them fanning their wings, putting their butt in the air.
Does that just mean everyone's here and this is the party, or does that mean the queen's here?
Oh, that's a good question. Don't know. Just giving them a bit of a drink. Make sure they don't starve. Just give them a bit of honey. I'll give them some water as well. Make sure they don't get too thirsty. Alrighty, we're done. What a mission. Fair bit of honey. Bigger hive than I thought. Bees are happy. So we pulled out 11 bricks. We broke one. But we met the bricklayer today. So he was very grateful. We just didn't take to it with a sledgehammer. But yeah, it went really well. I think we got the queen. When I was vacuuming, the exhaust from the vacuum was blowing over here, and tons of bees were covered covered in the box, so that was great. We could vacuum them straight up, so they could obviously smell their queen. But yeah, job done. Oh, stings. We get to 6. 6 for me. Cameraman is on 0.
No complaints.
Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit the subscribe and like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.